saving water in the driest place on earth. How can farmers water their crops when they live in the driest place on earth? Usman and Salman here about a solution and talk about some useful vocabulary. Listen to the discussion to hear the answer.
Drain. Remove the liquid from something by pouring it out or letting it flow away.
Cling. Stick or hold on to something very tightly.
Kickstart. Make something start to happen or develop more quickly.
Manipulate. Skillfully use or control something.
Down the line. At some unspecified point in the future.
Only time will tell. Idiom. The real results of something happening now will not be known until some time in the future. Hello, this is our easy English discussion. I am Salman.
And I am Usman.
We all know how horrible it feels to be thirsty. Human bodies need around 3 liters of water a day, and thankfully most of us can just turn on the kitchen tap to get clean drinking water.
But globally, over 2 billion people, around a quarter of the world's population, live in water-stressed countries where access to water for drinking, cooking, and washing is not guaranteed.
In this conversation, we will visit farmers in one of the driest places on earth, Yuma in the USA, where a new technology involving liquid clay is helping farmers grow fruits and vegetables in the desert.
But first, I have a question for you, Salman. Everyone knows that plants need sunlight and water to grow, but soil is just as important. One of the most useful soils is clay, a dense, smooth soil which is very fertile but sticky. Clay has been used in agriculture for thousands of years, but what is its more modern use? Is clay good for A. Curing headaches, B. Digesting food, C. Smoothing face skin? I think clay can be used to smooth the skin on people's faces.
Okay, Salman, we will find out if that's the correct answer later. Lack of water and farming are closely connected. Agriculture uses a massive 70% of the world's fresh water supply, so ways to use water more efficiently are much needed. Rukia's water supply company, Desert Control, works with date farmers in Yuma, an area on the borders of California and
Mexico, one of the hottest places on earth, Yuma has been experiencing its worst drought in 500 years, forcing farmers to pump water from rivers to grow their dead palm trees.
Fortunately, Ali's teams have created a liquid that they say can turn the sandy desert soil into a sponge which holds water and nutrients.
The problem with sandy soil is that it drains water. If you drain something, you remove the liquid from it. Clay soil, on the other hand, is made of smaller particles which cling or stick together tightly and hold water, helping plants grow.
Ali makes a liquid by mixing clay and water, which changes the soil composition and kickstarts the growth of his trees. The liquid makes the trees start growing more quickly. Liquid clay technology is still new and costing around $2,000 and acre. It is not cheap, but Ali claims his technology helps. The amount of water needed to grow fruit trees, and the most farmers will make back their investment within 2 years.
All claims sound too good to be true, but are there downsides too? interfering with nature. In this way, presenters Shahid and Ruqayya discussed this question for our another program, People Fixing the World.
To understand how it works, we need to look at the difference between sandy soil and clay. Sandy desert soil has a lot of gaps in it, so water drains through it quickly, making it hard for plants to establish the root system in the ground. But clay soil is made up of much smaller particles that cling together and naturally stop water from escaping.
It creates the habitat for the soil microbiology to also start to develop and evolve. So it's kind of a kickstart as well to nature's natural processes.
The problem with sandy soil is that it drains water. If you drain something, you remove the liquid from it. Clay soil, on the other hand, is made of smaller particles which cling or stick together tightly and hold water, helping plants grow.
Usman, yes, you asked about a modern use for clay, and I guessed it was for smoothing facial skin.
Which was the correct answer. A clay mask, also called a mud pack, is used to smooth the skin on your face.
And finally, the idiom only time will tell means that the truth about something happening now will only be known in the future. Once again, our time is up, but remember to join us again next time for more discussion. Please subscribe to our channel and like and share this video with your dear ones. Goodbye for now.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.